Medical experts sharing the potentially game-changing results of an experimental weight loss drug. It's one of several drugs in the pipeline for obese patients as companies eye what could be record-breaking profits. Here's Stephanie Gosk.
In the Eli Lilly labs, the revolution in weight loss drugs races ahead.
This is about pushing the envelope further in this research, right?
Correct. It's using old molecules as the benchmark and trying to make things that are better.
Today, the company announcing data for its newest drug, an injection called retatrutide.
We've been working to harness the body's own mechanisms that tell you when you've eaten, and they get your body prepared to metabolize food and tell you to stop eating.
Chief Medical Officer Dr. Daniel Skowronski says Eli Lilly is on the verge of a breakthrough.
We think that a medicine like this could someday offer the same levels of weight loss that you can see with bariatric surgery.
In retatrutide's second clinical trial, obese patients lost up to 17.5% of their body weight, more than 40 pounds in 24 weeks, nearly 60 pounds in 48 weeks.
I started losing weight within about a month of being on the drug.
Jacynthia Jesse was part of the trial, and while some patients were given a placebo, she believes she was given retatrutide itself.
I have to say, it was life-changing to lose almost 60 pounds, especially someone, again, almost 300 pounds.
Testing is in its early stages. A submission for FDA approval is years away. But Eli Lilly is hopeful it will get approval for a different drug this year, the weight loss version of its approved diabetes medicine, Mounjaro.
There are analysts who say it'll be the most lucrative drug ever made. Hyperbole?
Probably, yes. I think at Lilly, we try not to focus too much on which drugs are going to be really big sellers. What we try and focus on is, are we making medicines that treat a deep unmet medical need?
There is certainly a need. Diabetes and obesity are two of the largest health challenges in the U.S. Other drug companies are pursuing new medications as well, including developing a pill.
Those are more easy to make and can be widely distributed around the world more effectively.
But this class of medications, which includes diabetes drug Ozempic, is already changing people's lives.
It has been transformative, to say the least. I think it's given so many people hope that felt sort of helpless in this fight against the disease of obesity.
Doctors are hopeful these new drugs will also change perceptions.
I think it's also raised a lot of awareness that obesity is in fact a disease and not some sort of personal failing, so it's been amazing.
With that kind of blessing, pharmaceutical companies are moving full steam ahead. Stephanie Gosk, NBC News, Indianapolis.